Audio Jungle.
Presenting the HP Pavilion 14,11th generation Intel Core i5 16GB RAM/512GB SSD 14-inch. It comes with storage 512GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD, 8MB L3 cache, 4 cores, 8 threads and memory, 16GB DDR4 3200 SD RAM, 2x8GB, up to 16GB DDR4 3200, 2x8GB. It has display, 35.6 cm diagonal, Full HD, IPS, Micro Edge, 250 nits, 157p, 45% NTSC. It features Alexa built-in and audio by Bando, dual speakers. It also features Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5 combo and Realtek RT8822C802.11A/B/G/.